everyone, and welcome to SQM Picks. I'm David Lipton. For those of you new to SQM Picks, our company SQM first started a blog several years ago to highlight businesses that provide outstanding customer service. Businesses that have been featured range from small mom and pop companies to some of the larger international brands. Highlighted companies come from a number of different industries, including restaurants, retail stores, medical offices, lawyers, and various tourist attractions. We've also featured an auto body shop and a junkyard in the blogs that just goes to prove that anybody can provide outstanding service. Our guest today is Jonathan Burton, a lawyer at the firm Gluckstein Personal Injury Lawyers. As the name would suggest, the firm and Jonathan focus on personal injury matters. Jonathan, welcome to SQM Picks.
Thank you, David.
So tell us a little bit about your business. Where is the firm located and what are the various services that the firm offers?
Sure. Gluckstein Personal Injury Lawyers is a law firm with its head office in Toronto. We service personal injury clients throughout the province of Ontario, sometimes even outside of Ontario if an Ontarian is injured outside of the province. We have offices in Ottawa. We service the Niagara region, Windsor, and all the way up to Thunder Bay.
Interesting. So tell me, who should contact a personal injury lawyer and who should not?
If you or a family member has been seriously hurt in an accident of any kind or an incident of any kind, it's a good idea to call a personal injury lawyer right away, even if you don't think you have a case. The reason is that depending on the type of case that you have or the injuries that you have or where it happened, there are notice periods that have to be met. For instance, a fall on city property requires notice within 10 days. So even if you're not sure if you have a case, you should call right away. I wouldn't call a personal injury lawyer if you had a criminal matter, a family matter, or an estates matter. The field of personal injury is very technical, and your lawyers in that field should be focusing solely on that field. And if someone asks me to help them draft a will or a prenup, I send them to someone else who excels in that field.
So just somebody who completely focuses on personal injury.
Yes.
Interesting. Okay. Tell me, how do you build your relationships with your clients? I mean, in most cases, if somebody is injured and they're probably not in a great frame of mind, and like you said, timing is important. What do you do to build that relationship? How do you build it?
It's tricky because we often see people at their absolutely most vulnerable states. For instance, after today's meeting, I'm meeting a client who's in a rehab hospital who hasn't been home in 3 months since his accident. Obviously, in the initial stages, I'm standing at his hospital bed and telling him about the law. And then as the case develops and time goes on, you communicate with them in different ways. One of the benefits of Zoom technology and the various virtual capabilities is that we can have a face-to-face, at least by Zoom meeting, a lot easier. So if I'm servicing someone in Thunder Bay and they really want to meet with me, I can see them on a day's notice without having to fly there. But I think the real key for the relationship between personal injury lawyer and client, it's trust, and especially in this day and age, communication, showing them that you're available, being there for them, and helping them on their journey.
Interesting. Well, listen, I've known you for many, many years. It's always interesting talking to you about the changes and the trends that take place in the legal profession. I know, and maybe I'm a little bit biased, but just because of the people that I know, as well as yourself, you are very highly respected in the industry. You are a reasonable lawyer. You tell it like it is, and again, when you're working, whether you're working with the different insurance companies or the clients, I know you have everybody's best interest, or at least your client's best interest at heart. So well done for all of your efforts. While your contact information is going to show up on the screen in a minute, please tell everyone how they can contact yourself or the firm.
Sure. You can check out our website, www.gluckstein.com. My email is burton@gluckstein.com. My last name, Burton. Our phone number, our main line is 416-408-4252. But you'll know these days, even if you just go to our website, there'll be an invitation to chat, and you'll be dealt with immediately 24/7 if there's an issue. So never hesitate to call. It's never too early or never too late.
Very good. Thank you very much for the time. On that note, I want to thank everybody for watching another episode of SQM Picks. Since we're always on the lookout for companies that provide outstanding customer service, if you know of any that you would like to nominate, please send an email about the business to sqmpicks@sqm.ca. Thanks again for joining us, and look for another company to be featured in SQM Picks shortly.